3 years ago, I was at the crossroads. I had graduated and was wondering, perhaps as you are, what next? Needless to say, management, with its growing importance in every sector, was topping the list of possibilities. But there were so many management schools, all promising to turn you into a top-rung business executive with a high-flying career. The choices were perplexing. Today, I am at a top-level executive position, decision maker and a go-getter, which every professional dreams to be. And let me assure you, I owe all my success to my institute, my IBSAR.
Welcome. I am Dr. Monga here, the founder director of IBSAR, and I would like to welcome you to learn how to learn management at IBSAR. Management lies in the practice, and we at IBSAR are highly focused on developing management skills among the youngsters. Our youngsters are now in very senior positions in industry and doing very well. We certainly believe that everybody has potential to grow, and our slogan is we are activators of human potential. I, as a founder director of the institute, would like to welcome you once again to join our MBA program. Thank you.
My name is Riya Patel and I'm pursuing MBA in Finance from IBSAR. I did my BBA also from IBSAR only. Initially, when I came over here in 2016, I was very afraid and scared of facing people. But later on, because of the guidance and support of the faculties, they increased my confidence, and today, if you see me, you give me any topic, I can talk on it. I'm not afraid of addressing a crowd. And I would suggest people that if you want to gain knowledge, you come and do your graduation and post-graduation from this college, because ultimately at the end, it's your knowledge which always stays with you and nothing else.
Hello everyone, my name is Professor Alka Jha. I'm the placement head with IBSAR, a business school. We as a team ensure that we provide 100% placement to our students, be it from BBA to BCA to MBA. We have a dedicated team for the placement cell, which comprises of 22 management students. Now, it starts with the chairman, Riya. Then we have a placement cell president, his name is Bashir. Then we have secretary, Flavia. Then we have placement cell vice president, Riya, BCA. Placement cell vice president, Mansi Garg, BBA. And placement cell vice president, MBA, Shivam, and other members. Together, we ensure that campus drive runs smoothly in the college, and we have big companies like IKEA, Infogain, Bajaj, Finserv, LG, and many other companies that come to our college for campus drives. We assure you 100% placement. Thank you so much.
Hi, I am Professor Manju Agarwal, Group Deputy Director Admissions. I welcome all of you at IBSAR Navi Mumbai. IBSAR provides some unique thing which you will not get in the other B school. First of all, when you join our program, you will get paid internship in US, Singapore, Germany and in India also. That is paid internship, and most of the cases our students get PPO, pre-placement offer, with the track record of 100% placement. Since last 15 years, IBSAR is growing very fast. This year, we are ranked as the 12th top B school in India. Recently, we are awarded with the best private B school in India by Aaj Tak and TV9. We provide hostel facilities for boys and girls. It is very safe. We provide the medical insurance for all the hostelite. We provide 3 years regular BBA, BCA and 2 years regular MBA. And we are known for our academics and placement. If you join IBSAR, we can assure you your career is safe with 100% placement guaranteed. Thank you very much. Looking forward to meet you soon at Navi Mumbai, IBSAR.